Okay, guys, you're welcome back to Principal Ideas, and thank you for clicking on this video too. Okay, you saw a lot of videos, but you chose to click on this one. Thank you very much. So, in today's video, I'll share with you how to get a free Facebook account. I mean, a USA Facebook account for free without paying anything. Okay, you don't need any credit card. Okay, so just stay along with me. Okay, let's go. So, but before we get into the video, make sure you share this video with your friend. Oh, guys, I know you don't have time, but you just like the video. Okay, the video will be automatically shared with your friends. So let's get right into the video. So the very first step is for you to install Facebook Lite. The normal Facebook app does not work. Okay, so just install Facebook Lite. So head over to Play Store, search for Facebook Lite, install it, and then what? Open it. When you open it, it will take you to this interface. Okay, prompting you to what? Log in or create a new account. But you want to create a new account. Okay, yes, but actually you need to activate what? A very strong VPN. Yes, a very strong VPN. So you just have to get back to Play Store, search for this VPN, which is what? Table VPN. So you just have to search for it, install it, and then you open it. So when you open it, it will take you to this interface where you see what? Connect. You actually see what? Connect, but sometimes these ads will pop up, so you just have to what? Close it. Don't click in on any of these ads, it may take you to where you don't like. Okay, so it says what? Tap to connect. So you just have to tap on it and then it will connect. Okay, so it says what? Connection request. Just tap on okay, no problem. Okay, there's no problem with this. So you just have to tap on okay. It says what? Connecting. So now you can see it's we are now connected to what? Netherlands. So we just have to change our location to what? United States. So now let me scroll down and let me choose one of the cities in USA. So let me choose something like New York City. Okay, let me choose New York City and then tap on connect. It says what? We are now connected to what? United States of America. Okay, so the next step is for you to what? Head over to Google and then you search for this website called Temp Mail. You will see a lot of them, but choose the very first one. Okay, so let me just tap on on this very first one. Okay, so it will take you to this website where you can see it's actually Temp Mail is actually a website that gives you a temporal mail. Okay, something like Gmail and all those stuff. Okay, so it's a temporal mail where you can use it to verify, I mean, any website or any code that you want. Okay, yes, so you just have to add it to your home screen. Okay, it's easy. Now make sure you like the video and let's continue. So get back to the Facebook Lite app and then just create a new account. Okay, yes, but before we create the account, um we actually want to create a USA Facebook account. So let's search for best USA male names. I'm a male, so if you're a female, make sure what you choose female. Okay, so you search for best male names and then some and say names as well. So I actually got what? Aiden Smith. Okay, that's a very nice name, Aiden Smith. So you just have to tap on it and make sure you don't allow. Okay, the allow light to make a manage course. Click on don't allow to access your contact. Click on don't allow, and then it says what? Enter your mobile phone number. So just change it to what? Email address. Head over to temp mail again, and then you can see this email over here. Okay, just copy it. Don't use your real Gmail, it won't work for you. Okay, get back to the Facebook Lite app, paste it over here, and then tap on next. So when you tap on next, they will actually prompt you to choose your date of birth. So you just have to choose your date of birth and then you tap on next. Select your gender. I'm a male, of course, so I just have to choose my gender and then you set your password. Tap on next. You say finish signing up. That's the problem over here. Okay, so make sure you stay along with me, don't click off the video because you are about to execute the most important step in this video. Okay, yes, so but make sure you comment down below in the comment section if you don't understand anything. Okay, yes, so it says what? Save login info. Let me tap on okay, you can choose to save it or not. Okay, yes, so this very next step over here, it will prompt you to what? Verify your Gmail. Okay, say enter the 5-digit code from your email So you just have to get back to temp mail and then you copy the code from there. Okay, guys, I said don't use your real Gmail because it won't work. Okay, now you can see after heading over to my temp mail account, now you can see it was what it says Facebook hot, your Facebook verification code. So let me scroll down. Okay, so the code is it says what 2060. So long press on it and then copy it. Get back to the Facebook Lite app and let's paste it over here and wait for the magic. So you can see tap on OK and then it will take you to this very first step. So it says what upload a picture, skip. Guys, make sure you follow everything step by step, okay? Otherwise it won't work for you. So make sure you stay along with me, okay? And also like this video if you're enjoying it, okay? And subscribe to join this small family if you actually want to get tips like this, okay? So just so proceeding to the next step, you can see our account is what fully created. Now let me show you whether the account is a USA based account or just a normal Facebook account. So if I try setting up my profile, so let me try setting up my profile. Skip. I don't want to upload any profile picture of I. Now you can see add your current city. It has suggested what New York because we connected the VPN to what New York City. So now the account is what a USA based account. Guys, make sure you subscribe to this small family if you really enjoy this video. Share this video, but if you don't have time, just like this video. Subscribe to join this small family. We will drop more content. Okay, I'll actually show you how to make money from this Facebook account using CPA marketing in the next video. So make sure you subscribe. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.